Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Install Deepseek and confirm GPU drivers are current so processing runs fast. Once done, place 10 representative files in a project folder. You need varied scans and clean originals. Then open Deepseek, select your project folder, and pick output format such as PDF/A or JSON so downstream tools can ingest results. Make sure language and OCR model presets match document languages. This immediate setup avoids backtracking and gets OCR jobs into the queue within minutes. You now run the core process. Start with a preview page to verify deskew and contrast adjustments. This prevents garbage output. Then select OCR engine. Choose high accuracy for small batches or fast mode for thousands of pages. Hybrid gives both. Enable layout analysis and table detection so Deepseek preserves columns and fields. Monitor logs for confidence scores. Lower confidence segments need a different threshold or a secondary pass. Once tuned, execute a full batch and export both text and positional JSON for verification. You finish by exporting searchable PDFs and structured JSON. Include coordinates and confidence scores for downstream mapping. Then run post-processing, automated spell check, rejects extraction for fields, and normalize dates and currencies. Make sure to reconcile results with your database schema before import. If text quality is poor, reprocess only low-confidence pages. Increase DPI, switch to a language-specific model, or enable the Neural Enhancement Pass. This targeted retry saves time and fixes the most common OCR failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.